guess that's all that it would ever be. Wish I had a time machine I could make myself go back until the day I was born. And I would live my life again and rearrange it so that I'll be yours from now on. Yes, it's sad to belong to someone else when the right one comes along. Yes, it's sad to belong to someone else when the right one comes along. I said